How to fix Cash App won't let me load money. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix Cash App won't let me load money. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you are running the latest version of Cash App. Open App Store on your device. Tap search icon at bottom right and search for Cash App. If you see update button next to the app, make sure to tap on it and make sure you are using the latest version. If the issue persists, try clearing the app cache. Go to your device settings, tap General. Now tap iPhone Storage and simply search for Cash App. Tap on it and select Offload App. Then you'll need to tap Reinstall button and your issue should be resolved. If clearing cache didn't work, you'll need to reinstall app completely. Go to App page, tap Delete App and confirm the deletion. Once uninstall, open App Store again and search for Cash App and tap Get to reinstall the app. Now, if you are still having trouble, you need to contact Cash App customer support. Tap profile icon in top right corner and tap support. Tap something else and tap Cash Card. At the bottom, tap Contact Support and select Not About a Transaction. Finally, tap Chat to reach a representative and explain the issue to support. Hopefully, Cash App representative will help you fix the problem. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.